Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through the mobile number that is mentioned on the channel. So we're looking into the Iffley Road to Wilson's Road. So let's look into this. So these are our 2 points. So this is where we're starting from, the green point, and then we have the red point here. So let's zoom in. So we're going down, so let's zoom in here. And then to start with, just click on this point, come down, stay on the left side, keep going down, keep going down from here all the way. So we want to join this main road from here, so keep going down here, and once we are here, then this is a one way, so we can go this way here, this way. So we're joining the roundabout here, so come down, this roundabout, and remember this is a flyover, so we can go this way. And this is the point, so that means we need to stay here, come down here, and then we can take this road, which is a one way again, and then come down here, and then we can go this way, go up from here, and then keep on going straight, and then we'll come back on this road here, and then from here we can simply turn this way and can turn this way, but just make sure that you stay on the left side. So I'll just come back here a bit, so to stay on the left side, go in there, and then touch the point. So yeah, so that is the most direct route. Otherwise you would have taken this route as well here. So if you go from Hammersmith and then you come down here, and then you can come back here, but then that's going to be a bit longer than what we have taken. So this is the most direct route that we have taken. Okay, thanks for watching.